Hi, my name is Megan Farrell, and I'm the Title IX coordinator here for Palo Alto School District. So I work with the gun administration in making sure that we are enforcing Title IX along with other anti-discrimination statutes that are part of our state law, federal law, and also part of the policies that we have here. I focus my attention on making sure that students feel safe at campus. And there are a number of board policies that you can see on our website that deal with sexual harassment, Title IX, and discrimination based upon race, national origin, disability, and a number of other areas that are protected categories. The process that we go through is the uniform complaint process. And Tara's going to speak a little bit about her role as administrator and enforcing Title IX as well as other anti-discrimination laws on campus.
Hi, I'm Tara Keith. I'm one of the assistant principals here, and I want to talk to you a little bit about the reporting process. I know the word reporting can seem a little bit scary, and I'm not going to lie, sometimes it can be a really long process, up to 60 days. But it's really important that you talk to a trusted adult anytime you feel like there's unsafe or unwelcome behavior coming in your direction or on behalf of one of your friends. So what happens is once you report to a trusted adult, that information usually comes to myself or one of the other assistant principals on campus. Don't forget, we have 4. So we'll take your statement and ask you some questions and identify some other people to talk to based on the information you provided. Depending upon what's provided, I will always be in contact with Megan if there is any form of discrimination based on anything. And I might end up having to contact our school resource officers, Mr. Brad Young and Mr. Chris Moore, to come and take an additional statement or provide some other information. There are other detectives within PAPD that you might also come in contact with. Should it be a complaint of sexual nature, Detective Aaron Goodell is the current officer that deals with most sex crimes within PAPD. So we partner not only with our district office staff, but also the police department to ensure your safety. So after we take your statement, we're going to go through a lot of steps to investigate and make sure that not only do we have a full picture of what's happening, but that we've put some measures in place to make sure that you feel safe while you're at school. Like Megan said, your safety is our top priority.
I'm going to talk to you a little bit about what the uniform complaint process looks like. So you've probably heard of it. It's the UCP process. And there's really 2 avenues that can go down. Number 1, there can be an informal resolution of any complaint that's brought. So in the informal process, we, the Title IX office, the administrators at the school, would meet with both parties that are involved, the complaining party and the responding party, and talk about how we might come to resolution. Depending upon the nature of the situation, we may or may not have a face-to-face meeting with the parties, but it is never an obligation that both parties sit down and speak with each other if there's been some kind of sexual misconduct. That process is something that you may think is the right way to go. The other process is what we call the formal process, and it can be handled really 3 ways. The first way is that the site can handle it, conducting the investigation there on site. The second is that I, as a Title IX coordinator, may be the one conducting the investigation. And the third possibility is that we might hire an external investigator to come in and conduct the investigation for us. The people that we bring in are usually licensed attorneys or private investigators who have done this work in the past. The process really involves interviewing the people that are involved, taking a look at any records that exist, any digital files, text messages, photographs, things like that. And we take all that information into account and issue a decision about whether, at the end of the day, you have violated the board policies that we have in place that protect individuals against discrimination.
But also remember, if you do get an inappropriate text, don't pass it on.
That's a great thing to remember. Also, as Tara mentioned, administrators are the people that you may go to. You are also always welcome to come to the Title IX office or contact the Title IX office, and I will be happy to assist you either understanding the process, using the process, or trying to understand what might happen as you're factoring through what you want to do next. And there are obviously other resources that are on campus that you can go to as well.